Hi, my name is Suzanne. Today I want to share with you how easy and simple the bFed system is. Finally, a delivery system developed specifically for home tube feeders. The Bolink Small Cap set. It is tubing that connects store-bought pureed products like these to a feeding tube or extension set. There are many times that I need to give my daughter a snack. We were at the doctor's office and it ran late and I was completely unprepared. But then luckily enough, I had looked in my purse and I had the little extension that I needed to be able to give her an easy snack. The connector works with most commercially available juices and pureed snacks. Simply use the Bolink Small Cap to connect the pouch to the extension set or feeding tube and squeeze. That's it. I hope this was helpful. I really love this product. It's amazing and I know you'll love it too. Click below and get yours ordered today.